What is up? John Wood here. Haven't made a video in a whole long time, such a long time, but I have graduated college now and I got myself a new toy. It's a 14-foot flats boat. It's a homemade boat technically. Dude I just bought it from about a week ago. Was down in South Carolina. He bought it from a guy in Florida. But here, let me show you it. Right now I'm in the process of mounting the Mercury engine. It's a 20 horsepower. Just picked that up yesterday. But here, let me show you guys real quick. So here it is. It's a 14-foot flats boat. It's beautiful. Just picked up a 2019 Mercury engine right here. My dog Bella. Hey Bella. It's my dog Maisie. They all want to go on the water. But yeah, it's a 2019 four-stroke Mercury 20 horsepower. Boat came with a jack plate, which is cool. It's a Bob's Machine plate right there. The engine does have an alternator. It does have both combo electric start and pull start, which is great because I do want to get way up in the back country. Owner who had it previously said it drafts about 4 inches, which is amazing. So I'm looking to add a pole to this boat, push pull. But right now we are mounting the engine. I'm gonna go, I measured roughly where the center is. So from right here to the mounting screws right here, we want about 3-ish inches on each side. So I'll do that right now. There we go. Got the wood right here. Got the motor mount sort of clamped down there. You know, it's roughly 3 inches right here and 3 inches right there. You know, it's not perfect, but I mean, this just needs to be fixed so I can go flounder fishing in about a week. Look at that little sweet kitty. But yeah, no, so I'm gonna go ahead and now drill the top holes. So on this side, the top one there, get those things through bolted, and then we'll do the bottom one so that I can take out this wooden clamp. It'll be nice, clean install. So there we go. We got the first bolt in, first top two. It's looking good. So now we just need to do the bottom, that one right there, down right there, and we'll be good. Then we gotta run the fuel lines, figure out what we're gonna do with the battery situation. But I'm excited, super excited. Yes sir, got the engine mounted. Looking sweet. We out here. Sweet ass motherfucking engine. Check this out. So sweet. Hell yeah. Miles an hour. Yes, sir. Look at that. Beautiful day. Got the engine mounted. Now we're on the water. It's wonderful. Now we gotta just catch some fish. Just gotta catch some fish. So we're on the water, Jordan Lake, beautiful lake. You actually can see that the water is about 4-ish feet below, the average, water level. But just want to show you the setup, right? Because you guys saw me earlier today mount the engine. So, short story, we went to South Carolina about a week ago, bought the hull. Now this is a 14-foot fiberglass. Technically it's designated as like a homemade build, but it's pretty much a flats boat. Skiff, minor modified D-hull. Then yesterday, or a couple of days ago, we got the Mercury 4-stroke. It's a 20 horsepower engine. This thing works miracles. I love it. Smooth, shifts awesome, and even has features like, that, which is sick. Right here, so here's the boat perspective. That's Chad. 14-foot boat, but with the jack plate and the 20 horsepower engine, realistically, from the back of that to the front, you're probably looking at 15 and a half, almost 16. So, but you know, one of the whole advantages of why I wanted this boat is just because, first of all, tiller, you don't necessarily need a battery for it, and it's just open. The whole ground is open. It's relatively flat. You can bring your coolers. It's simple, no frills. It'll get you where you want to go, and it runs skinny. And of course, you got a casting platform and a dry storage area, massive dry storage area in there, which is even awesomer. So that's the boat, guys, and we'll keep you updated with what we're gonna do in the future with it. But I know for a fact Flounder season's coming up, and I know for a fact we're about to slay. So we'll keep you guys updated.